We grew up dancing in the golden sand.
You guys need it back.
No.
If I need this thing, I will buy and one crate the drink. No, that one not be my problem. My problem now, the thing we will discuss day before yesterday. Alpha.
Cool, your side.
Which one be cool? My side. I say how far now?
When we say how far, this time.
When you asked me how far, I said cool, your side.
And this time, this how far is not your life how far. It's about the girls, the ladies.
Thank you. And they tell you how far. They tell me say
Ladies, how far?
how far for those girls?
Tell me your life now.
Call me.
He think his life matters as.
Oh, shut up.
Hey, Oga.
Talk now. How far?
Hey, my friend.
I do.
See, guys, no, they use me play. Are they serious on this thing?
So are you serious about that? Are you serious about it? Like, I think we're joking, no?
So you think we are joking?
Guy, which kind of talk with that one now? I think as in, guy, if you see the dream where I get day before yesterday. Guy.
Okay.
And this guy carried the
Are you reading Bible or what? Like,
guy, wait now, make I talk. If you see that garden of Eden.
Oh wow, you can be pastor.
If you see the kind place where we dey, if you follow me dream the kind dream where I dream. Guy, wait. If you see us, me and the girl come the kiss.
I think you become like
press, they do everything. As I want enter, and this idiot, this my friend, come wake me up.
Who is that idiot?
I mean you now. That time when you wake me up, I tell you say why you wake me up.
So that time I was idiot.
No, but see that guy.
You have a dream.
Wait.
Like, hey, Charlie.
You see how far you are going. You will be getting mad very soon because of a girl. You are having a dream. The way you are touching, kissing, and you want to enter, and then I wake up and I call him idiot. You are now going to mad.
And you know, since when we say I will come from, you don't become my enemy of progress.
Anything when I do,
for my dream, you go wake me up anytime I want
to. The same thing you always do.
Guys, wait, make I finish. AKWABOAH, are they serious on this now?
Yes, AKWABOAH.
My brother.
AKWABOAH.
What's up now?
This one is too hot to like.
Guy, be serious.
The pepper is too much.
Jack, we'll make you talk.
On a more serious note, I think you guys are joking. Bye.
Bro, I don't play with this. I don't play with this.
You're my brother, so.
AKWABOAH, please. Just.
Oh, fine. I'll talk to my sister. Talk to them for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just say today now, wait till you go. Just tell me, say, guy, I don't talk to my sister. My sister say, may I go this side, go meet them, then go accept me. Now the thing what say you go tell me for today as a good friend where you be. You can't tell me say you go see go talk to them again. As in that means you never talk to them.
Oh, guy, you calm down.
Like the first one, no. I think like you guys are joking, so. I don't even think
we are just doing the thing, so
that's why. So I know now you guys are serious. So
we are serious.
I'll do it. Why are you rushing?
I let a new crowd to cancel some of you.
Guy, shut up now, make I talk. No, be this person.
You to be shut up. You always rush. Why? What is wrong with you?
I don't know why I met you as a friend.
Now who's your friend? I don't know the reason why. I carry you.
No go shut up now. You no go follow me come out.
You don't go follow me to come out anywhere again.
So you just
think only you do.
And this time around, you just serious. Are they serious? So you go talk to them.
Are you guys done?
Jack, let's talk about business. Let's talk about business and forget the girl. That one will bring that good boy. Wait,
Lit up the sky, but now two hearts caught in a tie.
Okay, I'm watching Kakati.
Rising homeward bound, saw his smile, my heart.
Friends be. Sabe, so you trap on the sojo. Me one of my friends me know, but me say no. No, I'm so much them. I'm say that more in time inside. Most of my sister, no. But by 24/7. Okay. So I'm also one is me. Wow, na I'm sankam. But I say na me no. Sabe, I'm my friends back up there. So I'm can be na man. I say me here disappoint me. I how I'm kakra. No say so find them na say dating between me and myself. I'm going to That's why I called you guys.
AKWABOAH.
Yes, please.
Oh, you're disappointing me, pa. I'm serious.
Oh,
Why should you call her just to tell her to go for this on the How?
and tell me, I say, sorry, no. Because maybe I'm busy with you, you did it in a mafia more but also be so
You know what, AKWABOAH. As my sister is saying, I'm highly disappointed.
Yeah. Why should
How can you bring us down so low like that? These your friends.
oh, I'm gonna make a I'm going to perform.
Let me tell you something. You know, they are not my spec. I haven't even seen them, but they are not my spec. Let me tell you, I did big men. You know, I get all I can manage a but looking at them street boys feeding from the street. Only God knows. Maybe they are even thinking of poverty. Oh God. AKWABOAH.
Hey, Nipa American, I'm not sure someone who I will see as a very nice.
Whether they are handsome, they are ugly, or any sort of being that you are talking about. The point is, we are not interested.
No.
She can't take any decision without me. I said we are not interested, and that is fine.
Like,
Oh yes, I second that.
oh,
We are not interested. Why?
Do they have money? No. Can they feed us? No. Can they clothe us? No. So they are not as pet.
Okay.
And are they better than you?
But what's that?
Are they better than you?
No, please.
Like, person interest or ye fair chain or caprana. Oh, ye fair and chain.
But yeah,
You know what? I'm just drawing them. Do they look like monkeys?
and draw because we to do. That's monkey now.
Real?
We are just not interested. Okay. You should have said that in the first place. We thought say maybe you invited us here for another purpose. Then maybe like you have something.
The birthday party, but coming the way introduction. I'm birthday party.
Really?
Then let's talk about your birthday. Maybe you can organize.
No problem. We can talk about it. Maybe we can even sponsor.
Yeah. You want to laugh party.
Maybe
No, it's your birthday. We know, but we can sponsor.
Yeah.
But the madam must say, Monty, I said, with it, may have because will be night, and I must say my judge.
So you are second us from your house.
Oh no, sir. I am my baby, my sister.
But at least your sister is now around. We can even wait for her.
I make an wait me a king. Maybe we can go.
But we don't want to be idle in there, so at least we can just have a chat or conversation with you. Just forgive my manners. It's normal.